That is what $2 billion of flight hardware looks like. That is amazing. And welcome to the second episode of Adventure. Very glad to have you along today because we are going to be going to a place that is a lot more than just the best of humanity. It's the best of basically engineering and what humans can accomplish, all in the same place. So why talk about it? Let's go to it. Good morning. Here for a tour, 12 to 2 today. Absolutely. Make my first left. Pretty sure I just went the wrong way. Just thought I would let everybody know before this video starts, it contains a very small spoiler. I got the Starbucks at JPL. Jeff, how did you describe this?
This is a Jet Propulsion Latte.
Yeah, and this is a Jet Propulsion Mocha.
Actually, technically, this is a mocha too. I just wanted it for the joke.
Yeah, that's Jared.
We could do a M mocha. It could be like an MSL thing.
Yeah.
Could we make something with MSL?
Mocha supplied.
Mocha supplied.
Yeah, let's. Anyways, yeah. It's good.
Oh, with like the bike? Yeah, those bikes. This is what started on. It was like technically a technology demonstration that like the helicopter. That was actually the most expensive.
So you can like you know have a little bit of it like over one side, you can figure inside.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Hey. Is that your 20 Scarecrow?
They covered it.
Those pumps?
It was open.
Oh, that's pretty crazy.
Yeah, Curiosity's covered.
Aww.
The world's most expensive blanket fort.
Well, I can tell that that gold stuff is capped on.
Oh.
So, for sure.
Camouflage.
Shh, Curiosity's sleeping.
What? Cool. I have a vision sticker on my computer.
Yeah, and I do lots of ice experiments. In there, house them both, and house them both up there.
Wow.
So all three instruments are in here to
Yeah, hey,
so they don't actually do any of the practice for the testing. It's like obviously, but they do other testing in here from Maggie.
Rover in the back.
Everybody be quiet.
I have time to tell what's going on, but
There's a quick run through.
We should all look excited, like something just happened.
I can give you the super grid.
This is curiosities, non-moving replica that shows you for size, for mechanical, or wheels, all that good stuff. So you got to see the cover, but this one's open. I like that. Like I was like, oh, I was working on it. It's super cool. So they change every 30 seconds to either exoplanets or spacecraft or planets and stars.
So doesn't that give her a better feel for where Mars is?
Yeah.
She's working on Mars, be like, oh, at this time Mars is there. This is
Yeah, like I'll
Not
walk
gonna
out of like our
see it, right?
operations and then I'll just walk out and be like, oh yeah, Mars is like right there. And it makes sense because like when you think about it, it just like a few months ago was in conjunction and then now it's like right there. So it was like behind the sun. It's super cool.
Oh, it's a bench and a picnic
Why they don't have those everywhere, I don't understand.
Oh, it's just took too long. Yeah, try 1, 2, 3, go.
What's over here?
Oh, it's a cute little library.
It's in the shape of a rocket.
Right?
That's
not
Look
Chuck.
at that. Oh, that's so
Danger!
nice.
Danger, Chuck!
That's so wonderful.
Oh, here we
How great.
Hey, chalk to me, baby.
So we were in your box for like about 45 minutes yesterday, which was probably
They found the descent stage. So this is what the descent stage looks like. Oh my God, it got there yesterday. Oh my God. And now it's packed up to where
That is what $2 billion of flight hardware looks like.
not dusty at all.
That is amazing. And here we see the engineers putting the material that unicorns are made out of together. Walking away with it. And putting it on a box.
Oh, really?
This is a scent-free workplace.
Is it like, it doesn't have so static? And
This is a scent-free workplace.
like big campaigns.
like hardware.
Well, we ran 4 like regular tests.
I know, right? I feel like everything's so sensitive.
One and then 2 like
Sort of nodding.
Is that guy wearing like straight up company glasses? Like,
I hope so.
Like when there's the new year?
Yep, I think he might be.
Oh, that's not a guy.
As a mannequin. Okay.
It's just like
A little still for a guy.
yeah.
Oh, you're very sneaky. Oh, not so much.
Calculating, I would want to like turn it into a rap battle.
Yeah.
What did you do? You did comedy sports? Where did you do
Improv for a bit, like
where?
up in Hollywood.
LA, Second City, UCB?
UCB.
Okay.
That's where I did it at. For like 4 years, something like that.
That makes me nervous.
Right.
Are you spying on the computers to see if you can read the screen?
Yeah. Of course.
Our picture all excited about 2020. If I don't know.
And they have to, when they integrate it with the rocket,
I will be, yeah, my
carefully control the procedure. The rocket uses a lot of vibration, and if it's not all assembled correctly,
I would be so tempted to just swing from it a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
Just like the lean back on the little belt there and just like.
Slap me back in the face. Yeah, it's just.
Well, that concludes this adventure to JPL, NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory in Pasadena. Hope you all enjoyed that today. I love coming up here. It like recharges my soul and makes me feel so much better considering the things that are happening in the world and happening around us. And I love JPL because spaceflight brings out the best in humanity. It demands the best of us. And JPL is, I would say, the premier place for spaceflight. I'm really sorry to everyone else, but it's very hard to beat what JPL has done, like their total body of work. They have done just a tremendous number of things. So coming up here and getting to experience that and seeing the future being built as well. What an honor and what an uplifting experience up here. So hope you all enjoyed that, and I'll see you on our next adventure.